Today, I'm taking a deep dive into Banner Life Insurance and sharing my honest review based on real user experience with the platform. Banner Life Insurance is often known for its affordable term life insurance policies, but affordability isn't the only factor worth considering. When you first land on their website, the layout is clean and straightforward, focusing heavily on their life insurance calculators and options for term life coverage. The design makes it simple to start a quote, but compared to some competitors, it can feel a little dated and less dynamic. Once you begin the process of getting a quote, Banner Life Insurance asks for your basic details, and from there, the underwriting process starts. One of the notable strengths here is that Banner is known for relatively competitive premiums, especially for healthy individuals looking for term coverage. However, one downside is that the approval process can sometimes feel slower than expected, with more detailed medical exams required in certain cases. For people who want fast approval or simplified issue life insurance, this may not be the best option. The company itself has a strong reputation and is backed by Legal & General America, which adds a sense of financial stability. This is important when you're considering a life insurance provider, since the main goal is to ensure that your loved ones are financially secure in the future. In terms of policy options, Banner Life Insurance primarily focuses on term life insurance, with fewer choices for whole life or universal coverage compared to some of the bigger names in the industry. This makes it a solid pick for someone who only wants straightforward, affordable term coverage, but less ideal for those searching for more flexible long-term options. Many useful links you can find in the description. Looking at the customer service experience, Banner Life Insurance has mixed feedback. Some customers praise the clarity of their policies and the support they've received when applying, but others mention that reaching customer support isn't always smooth, and the communication during the underwriting stage could be improved. This inconsistency can make the overall experience frustrating if you run into complications with your application. Another factor to highlight is the online experience. While you can begin your application online, much of the process still involves traditional paperwork and waiting for responses, unlike some newer digital-first insurance providers that offer almost instant approval. If you're comfortable with a slightly slower, more traditional process in exchange for potentially lower premiums, then Banner may still be a strong contender. When it comes to financial strength, Banner Life Insurance scores well, which is reassuring if you're worried about long-term payout reliability. The company has consistently been rated highly for financial stability, which gives confidence to policyholders that claims will be paid when needed. To sum up, Banner Life Insurance is a strong option for people who want affordable term life coverage from a financially stable company and who don't mind going through a more detailed underwriting process. On the flip side, if you're looking for whole life or universal life options, or if you prefer a seamless digital experience, Banner may not fully meet your expectations. If you found this review helpful and want to see more honest reviews like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button so you won't miss future updates.